As the Pest Control Products Board continues to carry out tests on over 200 pesticides after an inquest from the National Assembly, there are calls on the board to include all key players in the assessment. Agriculture sector players say most of the pesticides that are currently under scrutiny at the board contain cancer-causing ingredients and have been banned in the European market.
A recent report by Route to Food Initiative just last year that showed that food bought from markets in Kenya, in Kirinyaga County and Murang'a County, have got toxic pesticides that are not approved for use in Europe, and yet they are being used in Kenya.
They are calling on the Pest Control Products Board to step up its surveillance as the chemicals currently banned in other countries are finding their way into Kenya, further risking the country's food safety that may in the long run affect exports.
We are eating 50 times more pesticides than we should be eating, which is not a wonder that we are opening cancer centers everywhere and Kenyans are sick because the food we are eating is not good for us.
These toxic ingredients, when we consume them, it's not immediately that you get the impact. It is a killing me softly process where it happens at a slow pace.
They want the national and county governments to construct seed banks to preserve indigenous crops that are at the risk of extinction.
Indigenous seeds, they are seeds that we refer to them as seeds of continuity, because the farmers can get those seeds, they can harvest them from their farms and also save them in their seed bank that can be used in subsequent seasons.
Food sovereignty is where the farmer has full control of the food system, right from the seed up to the food on the table.
Farmers are being encouraged to practice organic farming to restore the country's depleted soils. Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.